Hey everybody, AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119. Today we're working on a Ameritron Al-80b. So I noticed something here. Let's see, something weird's going on with this doorknob cap. See how there's a line? I don't know if you can really tell, but it goes all the way around. So I'm not going to take any chances. I'm going to change that. So high pot of the tube needs a new tube. I'm going to change the gas discharge tubes at the base of the socket. I'm going to go through the rest of it, and I'll let you know the results when it's all done. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Al-80b. Placed the doorknob cap, changed the gas discharge tubes at the base of the socket, the tube socket. It was a brand new Taylor tube by RF Parts. They're really nice people over there. So one of them was different than the other. Customer said it had never been worked on before, so I guess they must have put in two different ones at the factory. But anyway, they've been changed. One was shorted. I tightened some hardware around different areas in the amp, clean the output TR relay really well, clean the input rotary switch, checked everything else over. SO239s were good, tested full output on all bands. So this thing is all set and ready to go. So if you need an amplifier repaired, an amp you see here on my YouTube channel, please feel free to give me a call. 203-892-4119, 73.